Hey Team Mac Gang, it's Tasha here and I'm back with another video. Today we have Domino's. We have the pasta carbonara. I have a slice of pizza, it's chicken. And then I have some stuffed cheesy bread. So I've never had this before. I'm a little sad because it looks skimpy. It's literally 2 pieces of chicken in here. Well, 3. It's hardly any sauce. So I feel like I need to probably put some Alfredo sauce in here. But I'm going to taste it first before I add something else in here. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and pray. Father, thank you for this food that our bodies about to receive. Let it be nourished with our body. Bless those hands that prepared it. In Jesus' name, amen. So I'm going to go ahead and taste it. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. Y'all, trying to get my sauce. Hold on. Okay, so I put a little cayenne pepper on here to spice it up because, yeah. So, I'm going to let y'all see that. I don't know if you can see the cayenne that I put on there. Anyway, what you guys been up to today? Y'all, and my hair, my bun is huge. There we go. And I got 2 braids in the back. So, this one slice of pizza got literally 1 piece of chicken on it, and that's it. Domino's. Y'all gotta do better because this. And I had to pay extra because it's chicken. I'm not happy about that. Anyway, I had to pay extra because it was chicken. And I'm not happy about that. You escaped this time, Noodle, but you're coming back. Y'all had to work today. Tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. So tonight I gotta do her hair. Tomorrow I gotta get the decorations for the party. Low key. Mine would have been so much better. So, I think I'm going to do... give me some noodles like this. And make my own. So, I'm real sad. It really wasn't that much. I wish it was like more cheesy. So I know what I gotta do to mine. Make it cheesy. I was supposed to have gotten stuffed cheese bread, but don't like to stuff with anything. My kids are eating in the living room. So, if you hear them, just, you know. You know, it happens. I'm a single mom. 5 kids. So, you might hear them. My boys, they recorded a video on their tablet. They was like, Mom, can you upload it to your channel? I was like, yep. So, one of these days, you're going to see a video. It's going to be my boys eating. They're so cute. My daughter's crying because she don't want to get her hair washed. But you ain't about to be around me looking crazy. I think when I make my Alfredo, I make the mistake of not putting it in the oven. Because I like the way it tastes from the oven. Like, it's a little bit of cheese in there, y'all. Y'all can see it's a little bit of cheese somewhere in there. It's something. Yeah. Excuse my dancing and humming. But this is who I am. I dance when I eat. My aunt. One day I'm gonna have her on this channel. She dances when she eats too. It's funny. Fredo on one side. Piece of sauce the other. No crust. Don't like you. Yeah, a video should be coming out later on tonight. Yeah, I'm sad that this is gone already. That was a big bite. Y'all hear my daughter crying. She is alright. She just don't want her hair washed. Yeah. She is literally something else. I'm not even joking. Like, I'm gonna do a video. Of her getting her hair washed. She is something else. Y'all, surprisingly, I'm full. So, I mean, I guess that wasn't not a lot. I mean, but low key, it really wasn't. It really wasn't a lot. No. No. I think I more so got full off this bread. Look at this little piece of, this little piece of, this piece of little cheese stick. I think I like it in Alfredo sauce better. Right? Ooh. So, what I was thinking about doing, y'all, is doing Alfredo, seafood Alfredo. I was thinking about it, y'all. But it was going to be like, I think it's going to be like a, I don't want to say seafood Alfredo because I want to have chicken and king crab and shrimp. Guys, I don't know if you've seen the video yet, but I ate fish for the first time in 21 years. I think I was 9 last time I ate fish, and I got super sick. Excuse me. So I thought I was allergic, and I haven't touched it since then. So I low-key ate fish for the first time as an adult, and it was very nice when it was fresh. When it was cold, it was like, whatever. Yeah, I don't know why I'm picking through this bread. I'm just about to give it to my kids. My baby loves bread. I'm gonna have to slow her down though, because she already plump. My baby plump. I'm gonna eat this though. I just don't like the burnt cheese on the edges. Like, come on now. Don't be burning my cheese. Kimusabi. So, anyway. I was about to say, oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, like, comment, and subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. Also, go look at some of my past videos. See how far I've come, guys. See how far I've come. Because I believe I came very far. Very, very far. So, with that being said, I will see you later. Bye.